Here we are, my good people. Isaac's the artist once again. Yeah, you know what time is it. So that's me on Instagram. You can catch me there. So today I want to demonstrate to you guys how I made that using plasticity. So if there's something you see here that you would like me to demonstrate on the channel, just come to this and comment on it. And yes, I will gladly do so. Okay, without wasting time, let's let's do this. So I made about I think 3 renders for reference. Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this. Come to plasticity. Okay. Okay. By default it's an orthographic. I prefer the perspective. Press 1 for front view. Let's delete that one. Okay. Center rectangle. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna leave it there. Okay, press B, press B, 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 B. Press B, press B. Yep, leave it there. Leave it there. Shift D. Okay, I'm still gonna, you know, Alt X, small mirror that. See how it looks. It looks good. Hold Shift, select 2 of them, press L. It's all good. Select the sheet. Shift J to join everything. Now you can hide the curves, the splines, whatever you want to call them. Okay. Now, let's put one line there. Okay. Okay. I'm looking for that. While the curve for the line is selected, press C, hit the mesh. Now, hide this line. Now, what we can do, we can mirror this on the other side. Union the halves. Okay. Select this. But you know what? Before I select, just something. Let me see how it looks. It looks okay. But it's too thick though. It's too thick. Is this too thick? Nah, it's gonna be alright. Doesn't matter. Okay, select that. Bevel. Let's keep it tight. Okay. This is where you toggle your edges. Yep. 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 That will do. And yes, it's not to mirror there. Let's mirror that to the other side. I think I should explain the shortcut with Alt X. Okay, Alt X. You click that, it goes to the other side. Or there's no shortcut here. There should be. Okay, there should be a shortcut here, but there isn't. So what's next? Let's make that. It's gonna be fun. Let's make that. Okay. I'm gonna do this on this side. Come here, select that. Is it not snapping? This should, okay, now it's snapping. Hold Shift, use the wheel to add rotations. I think 6 will do. Think of that bigness, right? Press B. Leave it there. Press G, move it, move it, move it. Okay, while it's selected, Shift D to make a duplicate. Press S twice. Yes. Confirm. Press G while the K is selected. That will be fine. Hold Shift. Make sure in edge mode. Press that. Press L. Okay. Hide your curves. Can also disable the X-ray for now. Shift J. Shift J to make that. Let's press the period button to isolate this. Okay. Then again, let's punch a hole there. Press C. Press the mesh. Wonderful. Find the spline. Okay. Let me get rid of that as well. Now let's do that. Let's do that. Come to this side, select that, press E. You want to press E. Press OK. Go to edge mode. You know the drill. You know the drill. Yes, toggle, and see what you get. Can't really complain, can I? Now let's bring the edges again. Shift D to make a duplicate while it's selected. Make sure you come to thickness. Add some thickness. Yes. Select that. Move it out. Just a tiny bit. Not that much. Okay. Now let's extend this. Okay. I'm just gonna add a circle. Leave it there. Yes. Hide that. I'm just gonna move this in just a bit so that they touch. Hold Shift, select the press Q twice. Press Enter to confirm. Okay. This going to get tight. Yep. Now, yes. Hold Alt, Shift. Voila. Voila, voila, voila. Let's see how it looks. It looks okay. And we should also do something here. Alt, Shift, and Alt. Do the same. I think I should go full here. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I should punch a hole that goes through that. How will I do that? Simple. I'm just gonna select that, Shift D. Okay, Shift D. Press S twice. Yes. Press C. Select the mesh. Press OK. Can get rid of that. You can also get rid of that. That's what we get, but it's not really necessary now. I want to isolate this, only that. Let's add spiral. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now I'm gonna press OK. It's all good. Press P. Press P for the pipe. Press OK. Press S twice. Bring that in. And press OK. Just want to see what will I get. Select that piece, the spiral. Press Q. Press Q once. And press OK. Ladies and gentlemen, that is that. You can also put some nice barrel on this. Yes. It's gonna take some serious calculations. One at a time and see what I get. Okay. Press OK. Now let's press the period button again. Press it again to bring everything back. Now let's put this right there. Okay. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. That is wonderful. That is too damn thick. Okay. Let's S once. Let me just bring this in, man. It's too thick. Okay. I'm just gonna delete that one. Hold this one. Press G. Just move it in and leave it there. Oh, you can press Control to snap it. Oh, it doesn't really snap. Oh, snap. Let me just eyeball this. Press OK. Alt X. Mirror that. I think that's a sexy thickness. Yeah, that is good. Okay, now we're gonna mirror these two to the other side. Press OK. Now, Shift, select both of them. I'm gonna press G, move this one there. Alt X, mirror that one on the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, we are getting there. We are getting there. Okay. While we're at it, let's also make this guy. Let's wrap this side as well. Just make that. It's easy to make that. Come here. Okay. Press G. Move it there. That's too small. Press S once. Yes. Select those points. Move them in. Press S. Yes. Now press B. Wonderful. Okay. Let's move that in. I'm gonna leave it there. Hide our lovely spline calf. Move it out just a bit. Now press the main mesh. Shift, hold Shift, click that. Press Q once. And then hold Shift, press Q. Okay. Let's get rid of that. If you select it, this, you move it inside a bit. That's what you get. You get that. Let's isolate this mesh so that we can see what's really going on in there. Let's build this. Let's build this. It's very crucial that we do. Very crucial that we do. Yes, so that when we bevel the entire thing, it doesn't break at the hard edges. Press period to bring everything back. Okay, just gotta make circle. Okay. It's alright. It's alright. I can press C, hit the mesh, can go through. No big deal. Hide the spline. Select that. Move it in. Now let's work. Press O to offset. Okay. Move it out on the outside. Shift D. Right. Press period button to isolate this. Press E. Okay. Leave it there. Press period. Bring everything back. Okay. For that, select that. Now you can view this from the side. Let's leave it here. Yep. Okay, now let's also do that. You should take your time when you do this. I'm just doing this for the sake of time because I don't want this to take forever, you know, just showing you how to use the tools to get to where you want to go. Okay, that ain't bad. That ain't bad. Okay, yeah. What's next? What's next? It's the top. Now it's time to make those guys start with this one. I feel like I should start with this one. Press 1 to front view this. Okay. Press G. Yes. Let's move it up. Make sure our edges are visible. Yes. Okay, from this point, press E. Bring that in. Press 1 again. Let's see what's next. Okay. I'm bringing this guy. Okay, hide the spline. Press 1 again. Okay, Shift D. Rotation. That should be 90. It's good. Hold Shift, select the two of them. Now let's rotate this. I think this should be 45. Yes. Press my main mesh, hold shift, select those two, press Q. Let's move them in and press OK. What's next? Okay. Very, very tight. I should do the same with these ones. They can't be that sharp. You just hold your shift and you select. To be honest, I should have selected only to operate the other side and mirror it. How about that? There's a tip as well. Okay, all right. First one. I'm gonna press O. Yes. Press 1. Now let's extend this. Press O. This is about that size. Okay. This is one. Yep, that will do. Press 1 again. Shift D to make a sheet. Let me hide that one. Okay, focus on this one. Press S twice. Okay. Yes. Press E. Yes. Let's hide those lines. That's what you get. Press Q twice to merge the two. Now let's just make this look nice. Press period to isolate this. You don't have to suffer. Yes. You hold Shift and Alt to make multiple selection. Loop multiple selection. Okay, let's toggle edges and see what you get. Shift and Alt, you hold them to make a loop. Multiple selection. Scroll through. Doesn't work. Okay. Press B to bring it back. And okay. Press period to bring everything back. And yes. Press 1 to bring this to the front. Yes, the front. And who should follow? Who's next? Who should follow? Who's next? Who should follow? Who's next? I should go for this one because it's going to be a boolean, and I'm also going to mirror it to the other side. Yep. We got this. We got this, guys. We got this. Let me first put a block. Just want to see the proportions before I proceed. Just want to see my proportions. Press G. I'll start with this side. Let me go with that side. Alt X to mirror this. Okay, that's how it's gonna look at the end. Can't really complain. The only difference is just that the input is here. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. You can still move this. If you want this to go down there, it doesn't really matter, to be honest. Preference. Yes, it's time to operate. Booleans. Okay, I'll start this side. It's not that big. Let's see, I'll make this, okay? Oh, I see what I did. I see what I did. Press 1. Okay, let me bring this back to the center. Press G, hold Control, snap it to the center. It's always fun when things are at the middle. Makes life much easier. Let me show you guys what I did. Press B to bring it back. Okay. Press G. Let's move this up. Where did I almost at the end? Think somewhere there. Press B. B is your friend for the bevel. Now, that being selected, we're going to make radial array. Okay. How many did I make? I think 8 will be fine. Okay. Your curves are selected. Press C. Press the mesh. See what you get. And press H. Snap Control Z. Okay, I'll get rid of those by hand. Press H. Yes. Then these guys, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold Shift, click that, press H. Wait a minute. Control Z. What the hell is happening right now? Okay, just delete this one at a time because I am missing the entire thing. Yes, guys, that's what you get. Period. Press period to isolate the entire thing. Okay, Shift and Alt at this point is your friend because you want to select all of that to make it look nice. Press OK. See that? See how sexy that is? Before we go, hold Control to just have that fine movement, those soft movements. I'm gonna let it snap there. Okay. spline, this curve, the spline, the curve, the spline, one same thing. Press Q twice. Okay, press Q twice. You get that. Hold Alt. Press OK. Should I go full? No, it's not gonna go full, but it's okay. Yes, 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 yes. I love it. Can't complain. Okay. Now, press the period button to bring everything back. Press 1 to view this from the front. Now I can move this. I can put it here. Okay. Now I'm gonna mirror this to the other side. Alt X to mirror this. And there you have it. There you have it. But it's not quite done yet. Okay. It's not done yet. Still have to do one more thing. I want this to be that height. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Press 1. Press 1 is your friend. I'm gonna need a spline. A curve. A spline. Yep. I'm gonna press C. Press this body. Okay. Press H. Press this body. Press the period button to isolate this. Okay. Do that. Alt and Shift. Alt and Shift. G2 total. G2 total. Okay. Press period button. See what we get. Yes. Wonderful. Where's my spline? Press G. Let's move that in there. Let's put it there. Press Shift. Press Q twice. Press period to isolate. Plasticity, it's so much fun, man. You just roll, man. You just roll, and roll with it. Don't have to stress about polygon counts, things like that. You just think and apply. That is the beauty of plasticity for me. Yes. Looking for that. I was looking for that. And we have it. Okay, you know what to do now. You know what to do. It's not a secret. It's not a secret. We also have to mirror the mesh as well to the other side. Don't forget to union the house. Okay, let's see if we get the same thing here. Yeah, we get the same thing there as well. What is left now? It's this and that. This one, it's simple. Let's have fun with this. It's simple. Very simple to make, guys. Very simple. Press 1. Oh, before, okay, my bad. Already we have that. Okay, how thick is this? I think somewhere here. Somewhere there will do. Will it? It should. Yeah, somewhere there will do. Now press 1. Can hide, that's fine. come here, center, rectangle. Yes. How high is this? It's not that high. It is high, but it's not that high. You know, let me just put it there. I'll just eyeball it. Doesn't matter. I will just eyeball it. I should, if I mesh the two, select that, Shift D. Okay, can bring it here. Select C, select that mesh, press OK. And we can get rid of this. We don't need this now. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Thank you for being part of the show. Now let's connect these two, right? Press Q twice, press OK. Let me view this from the side. That is one hell of a button. Speed though. Q, I think it should be sexy and cute enough. That's cute enough for me. It's time to work, people. It's time to work. Yep, leave it there. Let's leave it tight, leave it there. Let's go full and see if we get something. We don't get what we want. Press B. Press OK. Let's get rid of the lines and see if we get something that is nice. Yeah, that is nice. Control Z again. I think I like it this way. Okay. Hold Alt. Yes. Alt, it's your friend. To make those kind of selection. How about that? That was so easy to make, man. That was so easy to make, man. Okay, let's isolate this guy. Okay, so we can work and work and work. Yes, yes, yes. Also, I'm gonna press O, move the mouse. I'm gonna punch a roll of that size. Okay. Shift D. Right. Move it here. Press E. Okay. Let's move these there just a bit. Let's hide our sheet. Let's get rid of these sheets. We don't need those anymore. Okay. I'm gonna hold this, Shift D. Okay. Shift D. To make a duplicate, to make a copy of it. Why did I make that copy? There it is. I'm gonna select this. Hold Shift, select that. Press Q twice. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I pressed the Q twice. Control Z. That was a mistake. Only press the Q once. Okay. This and this. Press period button to isolate. I just want you guys to see what it is that I'm doing. Okay. Press this, hold Shift, press that, press Q once. Not twice. You press Q twice. If, only if you want to bring them together. Okay. In this case, I don't want to bring them together. No one's gonna even see that. Doesn't matter how good it is. Press period button to bring everything. That will do. Okay. Put it there. Hold shift. Click that one. Press period button. Press Q2. Press Q twice. Q twice to union these guys. Okay. I mean, come on, man. Come on. That is sweet and sexy. Press period button to bring everything to the front. Ladies and gentlemen, Isaac the artist is the name. At this point, to be honest, I am done. I am what? I am done. Press 1. Let's make that cutie there. Okay. Press G. Press C. Hit the mesh. Okay. Let's get rid of that. Let's take that to the outside. Press OK. Press G. Yes, you press G to move it to the inside. I think there will do. Wait, ooh, it's too far out. Yeah. You adjust this, you adjust this to your liking. Yeah, adjust it to how you see fit. Okay? Yeah. Yes, forget that. Ladies and gentlemen, Isaac the artist is the name. Yes. That's the progress that I made with you guys here on the channel. Let's just make things interesting. To be honest, at this point, this is done. Okay? It's done. It's no secret. You can also add material, see how it looks before. Before you move it to any software where you want to render it, you can also put some materials here. Which one I should put there? Is it iron? Press M. Okay. Rough. Put 25. Okay. Plastic is also going to be a plastic. White plastic. Press M. I want this to be a 13. Yes. See that? It's plastic, but it's going to be plastic rough. So you and you and you, you and you and you and you. I'm gonna give you guys, I don't know, ion again. Press M. It's too shiny. It's too shiny, you know. So, ladies and gentlemen, Isaac the artist is the name. Yes. Like I said, that's me on Instagram. If there's anything you want me to demonstrate here, just come to the thing, comment on the thing and say, make a tutorial. Definitely do so. Yes. Thank you very much for tuning in. Isaac the artist as always. A mode. Yeah.